This is the 1967 Ford Mustang GT500 Shelby, not just a muscle car, but a revolution on four wheels. In the mid-1960s, Carroll Shelby, a fearless racer and visionary, wanted to create something wild. Ford had given him a Mustang, but Shelby wanted more power, more speed, more adrenaline. His answer? A 428 cubic inch V8 engine, pumping out 355 horsepower, wrapped in an aggressive, race-inspired body. It wasn't just built to drive. It was built to dominate. But how did this legend come to life? It all started with a challenge. Ford was locked in a battle with Chevrolet, and the Mustang needed an edge. Shelby had already transformed the Mustang into the GT350, but that wasn't enough. He wanted a bigger engine, more torque, and a true performance machine. The result was the GT500, a Mustang that blurred the lines between the street and the racetrack. With functional hood scoops, racing stripes, and Shelby Cobra badges, the GT500 was impossible to ignore. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a declaration of power, speed, and American muscle. But the GT500 wasn't just feared on the streets, it became a Hollywood icon. In Gone in 60 Seconds, Eleanor stole the show, proving that this car wasn't just metal and rubber, it was pure attitude. Even today, collectors and enthusiasts dream of owning a GT500, with its value soaring into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yet, the legacy of the GT500 didn't end in 1967. Over the decades, the Shelby name has lived on, with modern GT500s pushing over 700 horsepower, proving that the spirit of Carroll Shelby is still alive. Today, the GT500 Shelby remains one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. It wasn't made for the faint of heart. It was made for those who crave power, speed, and the thrill of the ride. Some cars are built. This one was born to be legendary. But here's the question. If you could get behind the wheel of any classic muscle car, would it be the GT500 Shelby, or do you have another legend in mind?